there and then you can't get it out. No, don't boop my head. Don't boop the... You're cute. You're very cute. But if the paper gets stuck underneath the chest of drawers, we can't get it out. Do you understand that? No, you don't. Okay, take the paper. He knows of course he can get away with everything. The freaking cat is aware that whatever he does, he's gonna be excused, and it doesn't matter, you know? He's fully aware of that. He's fully aware that he can play his cards however he wants, and he will win every time. Every goddamn time. Ram, thank you for the host. Appreciate it. Silent, you spend too much time on Amazon. Mate, listen, you need to get off of Amazon. What is that? Why is that man so happy? Only 3 left in stock. Order soon. Wow, they are selling out like crazy. This item is a great value, 1 per package. General occasion party item. Protects from pigeons. Alright, Matt, thanks for being here. Thank you for sharing your delightful stories. Greatly enjoyed them. And have a good one. Until next time. Let's see the reviews of this monstrosity. Even Brown said 5 stars, best purchase ever. One day I was walking in the streets of New York City and it started raining. Normally I would just pull out my umbrella, open it and remain dry from the rain like any other person would. The problem was, on this day I was in the middle of eating a sandwich, not just any sandwich but a Cuban from Sophie's. No way I was going to stop eating it and use my hand to hold my umbrella, so I got wet, real wet. So I got to thinking, maybe they make an umbrella I don't have to hold. Well, I found this and I have never been rained on and not finished a Cuban ever again. I do apologize as I made this story up. I really bought this item to wear on the golf course as a goof. But I do really love Cubans, I swear. This was a roller coaster of a story. What the actual fuck? 18 people found this helpful. I swear to God, this Amazon review is just... I hate it and I love it. Ooh. Silent, yes, I called you mate because, listen, you are allowed to make fun of me and my fluffy children, okay? Do you think I would allow that to any old someone that I don't know? Okay? You have reached a level where you're allowed to do the things that you do. You have leveled up in the hierarchy. You have a permission. You have a permission of some kind. Well, it's a great hat, but also it's hideous. Good. Oh, hello. What are you doing? Observing my bell peppers? You like those, don't you? Yeah, I know. Speaking of, there's a big chunky boy around today. Well, he was on camera a couple of hot seconds ago, but now he's sitting on the ground looking at my bell peppers. As you do. As you do. Well, Lucidity, thank you. Thank you. Very fierce. We need pigeon and Tootsie Roll emotes now. We don't have slots for those, so we will have to live a life without Tootsie Roll and pigeon emotes. I know, truly disappointing to everyone. Mur. Mur, mur. Nu kas ir sausiņš. The chunk. Yes. A decent sized feline. He is perfectly sized. Good amount of cat. Yeah, you're a good amount of cat. Very nice. Okay, that's like, where are you going now? What the heck is happening? The cat is perfectly sized. Came from Monopoly. Okay, that's pretty good. I'll take that. Dingus has a bacon strip spine. It's gonna be a fin, okay? It's gonna be a fin.